Good morning, candidates. This is for Bank of Baroda Wealth Management interview. I think the interviews are going on and it will be there for 2 or 3 more days. And the questions that are asked are number one, based on your personal details, based on your degree, based on your experience, say the work experience you have got. They will ask you questions based on that. Sometimes they can ask you to introduce yourself. Please tell us about yourselves. Sometimes they will not ask like that, but straight away ask questions like, say, which college did you study? What is the degree you studied? Then why did you come for banking? What is the experience you have in banking? Like this, they can ask. In whatever answer you give, please remember your answer must be able to give them confidence that you have a fair idea of wealth management. So, for example, questions can be you are allotted a customer who has got nearly 100 lakhs liquid funds with him. How will you advise him to invest? How much should he invest in savings bank? How much should he invest in fixed deposit? How much should he invest in senior citizen deposit? How much he can invest in equity? What is the suggestion you will make? And what is the reason therefore? You must be able to tell about that. Then they can also ask you about government bonds. What do you know about government bonds? Under what circumstances you will recommend investing in government bonds? And what is the difference between a fixed deposit and say a recurring deposit? Fixed deposit, say an investment fixed deposit, investment in small saving schemes, investment in mutual fund. What is the difference between all these things? They can try to ask you. And you just go through that Bank of Baroda website, and under that they've given you mutual fund investment. So go through that thoroughly. What is mutual fund investment? A mutual fund is a pool of money managed by a professional fund manager. It is a trust that collects money from a number of investors who share a common investment objective and invest the same in equities, bonds, money market instruments, and or other securities. And the income or gains generated from this collective investment is distributed proportionately amongst the investors after deducting applicable expenses and levies by calculating a scheme's net asset value or NAV. Simply told, the money pooled in by a large number of investors is what makes up a mutual fund. So this is the point they have given. If you go through the website of that, there they have given why do we need mutual fund? Whether the objective of financial gains or convenience, mutual funds offer many benefits to its investors. Why mutual funds? Convenience, economical, diversification, liquidity, high return, safe and transparent, manage inflation, expertise. This is what they say. In theory, practically it may depend upon the circumstances of the market, money market. If it goes up, things will go on well. If it goes problem, then it will be difficult. Then they have also given history of mutual fund in India, 1964 to 87 phase 1, growth of unit trust of India, 87 to 93 entry of public sector, 93 to 96 emergence of private funds, like that. How one can invest in mutual funds, what is systematic investment plan, all these things are given in our Bank of Baroda website itself. I am not repeating them. Please go through that. Please go. This question is a must. They will ask about mutual fund and all that. Okay. Yeah. Then there are also, you can also know about Baroda Yum Invest app. What is it? What is Baroda E Trade? 3-in-1 trading account. Please get to know about this. If you know about all this, you will be able to answer the questions nicely. Then under life insurance, general insurance also, you can be asked questions. Yeah, they are asking questions on simple things only, whether you are able to communicate properly. They want to boost your confidence also, whether you have marketing skills. Whether you have marketing skills will be tested because your role is only as a marketing officer. So that will also be tested. So be ready for answering all those things. Be ready to answer most common interview questions. I think I have posted many times most common interview questions. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Where do you see yourself in 10 years? Why do you want to leave your current company? What you can offer us someone cannot. Tell me about an accomplishment you are most proud of. What would you look to accomplish in the first 30 days? Describe yourself. Why are you looking for a new job? How would you deal with an angry customer? Who are our competitors? Who is your mentor? What are your career goals? If I called your boss right now and asked him what is an area that you could improve on, what would he say? What are your co-worker pet peeves? What are your hobbies? How would you fire someone? What questions have I not asked you? What questions do you have for me? Likewise, these questions can be asked. Okay, be ready for answering questions on this also. Then I am sure success will be yours. Best wishes. Some of you want mock interview, then you can remit Google Pay rupees 100 and that should go to say 9003037557. Then send email to me. Email is available in all my YouTube channel, YouTube videos. Thank you. And if anybody wants, you can send it. And you also be specific whether you want it over phone or whether you want it over, say, Zoom. Also, you must be specific whether you would like this to be used in YouTube or not. If specific बोल दीजिए, easy हो जाएगा. Best wishes. Thank you.